This video is instruction on completing the RP7 document. What we're going to do now is we are going to actually format these sections that we have created and make them look like actual paragraphs. So the first thing we're going to do again, as in the past, is we're going to want to copy RP6 into RP7. So we're going to go to Edit, select All, hold down Control, tap C, go to RP7, hold down Control, tap V, and that will paste in the document in RP7. And so, and it should be the same way it is in RP6. So now we're going to look at this first item here. So what we're going to do is we want to make this look like a paragraph, just using these words here. We have repeated our factual data. We have a quotation here and a paraphrase here, so we don't need both. So we need to decide which one we want to use. I'm looking at this quotation here, and I think there's a lot of detail that is not necessary, so I'm going to go with my paraphrase. Now you need to go with approximately equal amounts of paraphrase and quotations. I'm going to take this out here, then I'm going to put the cursor up at the end of harmful, make a space, hit the delete key, and I notice there's an extra space here as well, so I'm going to hit the delete key to bring that up, and one space after the period, hit the delete key, and here, one space, hit the delete key, and then that is what it looks like. But I'm looking at this as anti-subsidy arguments are harmful is a pretty brief topic sentence. Absolutely what I want to say, but I think I'm going to want to add some things to bring in some more data here. I'm going to want a little better explanation in here as to what the harms are, and then I'll want to change the concluding sentence to connect better with the paragraph. Now what I did was I went off and I did this in a Word document. You're not going to do that. You're simply going to make the changes here, and so you're not going to be copying and pasting. But I'm going to take this for demonstration purposes and paste my change in here. And well, we certainly don't want to type that large, so I'm going to go up here, we'll make it 11, I guess. Okay, here we go. Now somehow in the transfer my topic sentence was turned red. It needs to stay black, so I'm going to change that back to black, as well as the concluding sentence, same thing. That should also be black. Alright, now you'll notice that I have expanded this sentence to, because they are misleading, anti-subsidy arguments can be harmful. According to opposing viewpoints, well, according to should not be italicized, but certainly opposing viewpoints should. Anti-subsidy issues are incorrect, so I'm alluding to the argument there. The amount of energy used by electric vehicles, etc., that's the same thing that was up here. Now I've changed this to relying on flawed information like this can lead to bad decisions both at the personal and governmental level. The misinformation in the anti-subsidy agreements deals with personal, finance, ecology, and national economic policy. Relying on this information can lead to decisions that harm families financially. Period. Governments could make decisions that do not provide for environmental protection or economic health. The potential damage to our economy and our planet and ourselves show how harmful these arguments are. And so that's how I have changed this up here. And so that's what I'm going to leave behind. And so what I want you to do, if you are in blocks 1 or 2, I want you to have at least 4 of these from at least 4 of these total They must come from 3 different sources. And if you are in 3, 6, and 7, I want you to have 5 of these from 4 different sources. And at this point, you're also going to take out your MLAs, and you will have a number of these things. Oh, we need to indent the paragraph too. So anyway, that's what it looks like for RP7. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.